बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। सामने व्यूअर्स, जुलियाना उस्मान आपके खिदमत में हाजिर हैं एंड यू आर वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल. So as we were doing active voice and passive voice, today's lesson is about present continuous tense, and yesterday we have done same thing, but we made sentences of affirmative and negative of present continuous tense. And as we are doing passive voice, so before starting this video, I would like to make a request that don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch my videos fully and learn on daily basis. So today we will do interrogative and negative, and interrogative will be joined together. As I have told you that sentences are divided into four categories. First is affirmative, negative, interrogative. Then negative and interrogative will be joined together. So now we are doing interrogative sentences of passive voice. So the formula is, first of all, I always describe you the formula of future indefinite present continuous tense. So the formula is MR, subject, verb first form, ing, object, and at the last question mark. In this tenses formula, is MR are helping verb and they come first, subject, verb first form, then ing, and at last object, and at the last we have to apply question mark. While making passive voice, we have to apply is MR first because this is an interrogative, then object, then being according to formula, then verb third form, then by, then subjective pronoun. Alright, as I have told you about subjective pronoun, that after looking subject, we have to convert subject into subjective pronoun. If there is I will be converted into me, he will be converted into him, we will be converted into us, they will be converted into them, and she will be converted into her, and any name will remain same. As Salma, I have used the name Salma here, so Salma will remain same because the subject is Salma, that is why subjective pronoun will be also Salma. So these are active voice and passive voice. So I have written 5 sentences of active voice of present continuous tense. Then I will convert these sentences into passive voice, but according to the present continuous tense formula of passive voice. So these all sentences are in interrogative form. The question is being asked, such as, is she doing home chores? क्या वो घर के काम कर रही है? See the sound रहा है, रही है and रहे हैं. Is she doing home chores? क्या वो घर के काम कर रही है? Are we making coffee? क्या वो कॉफी बना रहे हैं? Is Salma drinking juice? क्या सलमा जूस पी रही है? Are they playing the football? Okay, it should be remain same. Are they playing football? क्या वो फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं? He is watching cricket match. क्या वो क्रिकेट मैच देख रहा है? ठीक है, it means that person is watching cricket match on TV. That is why I have used here verb watch. So I have to convert it according to passive voice, but the formula will be used here, which is before you, and this is about present continuous tense. So you have to apply, as I have told you, is MR first as helping verb. Then you have to search that what is your object. Then you will find out that the being will be written as same as formula, and the verb third form, you have to look for this, that which verb has been used in this sentence. Then you have to use by according to formula. Then subjective pronoun will be inserted after looking subject in the sentence. Okay, so let's do this. The first sentence is she doing home chores? क्या वो home chores कर रही है? So how I will convert it? Now अच्छा, I have to decide that whether I have to apply is, am, are. So for this purpose I will look object. If object is in singular, then I will apply is, but if object is in plural, then I will apply are. And where am will be applied when I will use subject I. ठीक है? तो first of all we are doing this first sentence, is she doing home chores? So what is my object? For deciding this portion I have to look for object. And what is object? Object is home chores. So I will write here home chores, बहुत सारे घर के काम, and बहुत सारों के लिए we use are. That is why I have selected are from this. So I will apply here are. Then object we have already seen it. Home chores is object, are home chores. ठीक है? After seeking out the issue of object, I will go there being. So the being will be written SM. Are home chores being, then verb third form. The verb is doing. Do is verb. Actually the verb is do, but I have to write third form of the verb. So the do is first form, did is second form, and the third form is done. Are home chores being done? Then according to formula I will apply here by. And subjective pronoun, how I will find it out? Because the subject has been used here, she. So she will be converted into her. Then at the last you have to apply question mark. So don't forget to set your sentence according to correct punctuation. Are we making coffee? What is object? Coffee. ठीक है? Coffee. ठीक है? I will not write here. I have to just see the object is coffee and coffee is one cup of coffee. ठीक है? So with the coffee I will use is because the object seems singular. So I will write here is coffee. Is coffee. ठीक है? Coffee has become here object. Then being will come according to formula. Verb third form make. Making, the third form is made. Make third form is made. So I will write here made. Is coffee being made? Then by according to formula. Then subjective pronoun. अच्छा कौन कॉफी बना रहा है? We subject, we will be converted into us. Question mark. All right. Is Salma drinking juice? क्या सलमा जूस पी रही है? So juice is object and the object is singular. So if object is singular, then you have to apply is first. Then juice is object. Being as it is we will write here. Then verb third form, verb has been used here drink, and the third form of drink is drunk. Then according to formula by, then Salma will be written as same because the subject is Salma, then subjective pronoun will also remain same. Are they playing football? This is fourth sentence. football is object, sorry, football is object, but I will not write here first object. I have to choose first helping verb. So football is object, so the football is singular object, that is why I will write here is. Alright, so after choosing helping verb, I will write here football object. Is football being according to formula? Then the play is verb form, and the third form of play is played. Is football being played? By what is subject? They. So they will be converted into them at the last question mark. Okay, he is watching cricket match. Cricket match is object. So cricket match is object, but it is singular. He is watching cricket match, so the cricket match is object and the object is singular. So what will I do? I will use here is. Is cricket match then being verb third form is watched. Then according to formula by, then he is subject and he will be converted into him. Alright, this is question mark. So I have got you done these 5 sentences of present continuous tense. I have taught you that how you can convert present continuous tense or active voice into passive voice. So I have done it for you. So now we will do those sentences in which negative and interrogative sentences will be joined together. So we have completed interrogative sentences. Now I will make those sentences in which negative and interrogative sentences will be joined together. So sentences are before you and formula is also in front of you. You can see both formulas. This is of active voice and this is of passive voice. So the active voice is MR. This is simple tenses formula of present continuous tense. Is MR will as helping verb will come first, then subject, then not, then verb first form, then ing, then at the last object, and you have to apply question mark as it is a part of punctuation. Then passive voice is MR, object, not, being, then verb third form, then by, then subjective pronoun. Alright. So sentences are here. You can see here that in these sentences question has been also asked and it is also in denial form. So the interrogative and negative, as I have said earlier, interrogative and negative are joined together. Is she not doing home chores? क्या वो होम चोर्स नहीं कर रही है? क्या वो घर के काम नहीं कर रही है? Are we not making coffee? क्या हम कॉफ़ी नहीं बना रहे हैं? Is सलमा not drinking juice? क्या सलमा जूस नहीं पी रही है? Are they not playing football? क्या वो फुटबॉल नहीं खेल रहे हैं? he is not watching cricket match, क्या वो क्रिकेट मैच नहीं देख रहा है. ठीक है. These sentences are of active voice but of present continuous tense. So I am converting it for you. You can see here and you can convert it by yourself as the formula is written before you. Is she not doing home chores? How I will convert it? Look, for is am are, for choosing is am or are. Here oblique has been written here. Oblique has been drawn. Why? So as you can choose that whether you have to apply is or am or are. But for choosing this, you have to first see object. And what is your object in first sentence? Home chores. Home chores is object. So I have written here O. This is not 0. This is O. So home chores, घर के काम, as told you earlier, means बहुत सारे घर के काम, talking about more than one thing. So I will write here are. Alright, are. Object is home chores. Are home chores. After object you have to apply not. Why helping verb came first? Because this is an interrogative. And why not came after object? Because this is a negative sentence also. Are home chores not being will come according to formula. Then verb third form, do, did, done. So the third form of do is done. By will come according to formula, and subjective pronoun is, so we have to look subject, so the she will be converted into her. Alright, are we not making coffee? So the object is coffee, coffee is singular, so it means the object is singular. So for singular we have to apply is coffee. Coffee is object. After choosing this portion you have to select your object. So the coffee, I have just picked my object from this sentence. Now not will come according to formula. Then being will also come according to formula. You will not make any changing in not or being. You will apply as it is. Is coffee not being? Verb third form, make, making, make. The third form is made, made, M-A-D-E, made. Is coffee not being made? By. Subject is we will be converted into us. Is Salma not drinking juice? Juice is object. Juice is object. So juice is object, but the object is singular. So with juice you have to apply is, then not, then being. Juice is not being drinking. Sorry, I had made mistake, because the object you will not write first and you have to write first helping verb. I always forget that what I should write. Do I know it, but mistake has become my habit. So you have to follow the formula. So as we have to see first object, so the object is juice. So I have to look first object, and if object is singular then I will apply here is. Is, object is juice, is juice, then not, then being will come according to formula. And what is verb third form? Drink. Drink, drank, drunk. The third form is drunk. Is juice not being drunk? By will come according to formula, and subjective pronoun is will remain same because it is Salma. Salma is subject and Salma will be subjective pronoun. So the name will not be changed. Are they not playing football? See the sentences which I am using here, that the name will not be changed. It is passive voice also. Subject will be converted into, it is also passive voice. Okay, these sentences which I am using while I am talking to you, multiple sentences I have used here after talking you. These all sentences are into passive voice. It means I am using object first, then I am using helping verb, then according to helping verb, according to formula, I am applying being, be, and the third form of the verb. So in conversation we also use passive voice sentences. So is juice not being drunk by Salma? So are they not playing football? Football is object, object is singular, so that is why is will come here first. Is football not, because it is negative sentence also. Being will come as it is. Verb third form, ठीक है, play है, played, played, P-L-A-Y-E-D, played, it is second and third form. Is football not being played? Then by, then they will be converted into them. I am saying that they will be converted into them. It means I am using here passive voice. Okay. He is not watching cricket match. Cricket match is object, but it is singular. So the is will be used here. Is cricket match. Not being watched, third form of the verb. By will come according to formula, and he will be converted into him. ठीक है. These are 5 sentences which I converted it into passive voice. Today we have done interrogative and negative plus interrogative sentences. I hope so you understood them. It is your duty to do practice, to do exercise of this grammar section. So I always advise you that learn English, because according to Sir Syed Ahmed Khan, it is our duty to learn English, because English has become an international language. We cannot avoid it any way. The person who doesn't know English, he can't walk on the path of progress. So for learning English, the grammar is very necessary. We are not English people. We speak different languages at our home. Most of the people do not know even the correct Urdu. So for learning English, they have to do a lot of practice. So as we speak regional languages at home, and English is not our mother tongue. So for making this language fluent, we have to do exercise, we have to learn, we have to work hard. After learning this, we can qualify multiple exams which are competitive. So please learn it, please do it, and one more request, don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch my videos fully and learn on daily basis. तब तक के लिए आप जुलियाना उस्मान को इजाज़त दीजिए। अल्लाह हाफिज़।